Chief Minister Biren appeals people not to take law into one's hands but to be patient. Bill for protection of indigenous inhabitants to be passed soon. Members of KSA storm new secretariat against appointment of a non-local as principal of NG College. Irate people burn health minister's effigy over Imphal East District Hospital row. Home Ministry issues fresh thunderstorm warning for several states. Heavy rains forecast in northeast regions including Manipur. And Hockey India recommends Maimom Sangai Ibemal Janu for Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rivusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has stated that a bill for protection of the indigenous inhabitants of the state will be passed within 2 to 3 months' time and further appeals to the people of the state not to take up any illegal actions but to have patience until then. Biren made the statements during Ajivika Evam Kaushal Vikas Divas program organized by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission under the Department of RD and PR today. Speaking further at the program held at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboy Khongnangkhong, the Chief Minister highlighted various welfare projects undertaken by the government for women section. Asserting that he entered politics to ensure the welfare of the upcoming generations, Biren said it is impossible to rectify all the age-old flaws within a year or two. He maintains that the present government has sincerely put in efforts and has undertaken various welfare works for the society in its over a year rule. Chief Minister Biren also said that the newly launched Go to Village mission aims to ensure various schemes of the government even to the remotest areas at doorsteps. He also said as part of the survey conducted in connection with the mission, around 40,000 children deprived of education were identified. The Chief Minister announced that his government will ensure free education to these children. Chief Minister Biren also said a bill for the protection of the indigenous inhabitants of the state is also the desire of the BJP government at the center. He assured that a bill for the same will be passed during the upcoming monsoon assembly session. He said a committee will be set up soon in this regard and various stakeholders will be cropped in to discuss the same. The Chief Minister also announced that bathrooms will be constructed near public ponds in villages to protect the chastity of women at the wake of cyber crimes.
National level the Labour Party makata putokyo national level gi leader yauna Manipur da pangthokpa meeting da Manipur gi apunba saktam at any cost kangani aduga Manipur da Manipuri ngathok chanaba bill semba da ayaba pire ayaba lobna party makata putokyo except BJP natan hanta national gi general secretary Ram Madhov amadi Northeast ki in-charge Ajoy Zaman national leader ani du yaurga Imphal Hotel Pangkok State Executive Meeting. Sina logi wari ba jakoi just government tog do suya yaro ida pone. Meeting do da Manipur gi miyang mi damte yamna darkar lei be poche. July August phango do ba assembly gi session sida masi bill ji pass tawna ba tawge mi haiba kanda Manipur prajana madu pamadi akhoi BJP gi oina center gi su madu apam ne akhoi kaimta leite na bill pass tawbu ji semo oina ya ba pirame. May June July tha ahum mari khaki question neba kitang di patiently crime to gumje khoi systematically maraina sasagini aina man rom gi makha da satsi khoi kunna ain paina gumse khoi tha ni hum nangai re corporate to government da.
Ajivika Evam Kaushal Vikas Divas was the concluding event of Gram Swaras Abhiyan launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as part of the nationwide birth anniversary observance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on April 14. Gram Swaras Abhiyan was launched with an objective to raise awareness on various government schemes across the country by the officials concerned and to provide self-employment opportunities to women to bring about a developed nation. 12 public transport vehicles were also distributed to selected beneficiaries of 12 different self-help groups at today's event. 4 self-help groups were also encouraged with gifts for their hard work on the occasion. Taking part in the event, RD and PR Minister Thongam Biswajit spoke at length on the works undertaken by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission under National Rural Livelihood Mission. The minister lauded the self-help groups for their produce and appeals not to be disheartened that they don't have a niche market. Biswajit also assured that the government is making arrangement to export the products.
भारत की मफम खुदमक चप्प मतमद मणिपुर यामना नुंगाइरे ये मणिपुर यामना नुंगाइरे अखोय मणिपुर दा लांगनिंगे हाइबगी खोलाव ताबसे सीमक अखोय ngasi ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर दा अखोय थागतफम थोई मदमदी महांगना अहाम मतमदा ब्रिजिंग द गैप अखोय गो टू द हिल साइडना अखोय सिंगी कासन कोया खुदमक चलगा प्रजाना करी पामी नत्र प्रजाना करी खल्ली अदुगा अमदी मखोयगा अखोयगे लैरिबा वाखलोन गैप लैरिसे कराइदना मसी वारी छाना काना थोकदबनी हाइदना अखोयना ब्रिज तोबा some portion of the अखोयगे ब्रिज तोबा गैप सिंजे ब्रिज तोबा ngame अखोय सिंगे चतप मतमदे everyone अखोयदा नुंगाइतबा नत्रगा वाखलोन द करी सु अमक फाउद्रे even अखोय इसामकसु मंत्री अम ओरगसु अखोयन every corner of the उखुल ओरो चांदेल ओरो सुचांपुर ओरो every hilly station खुदिमक district खुदिमक चतप मतमदा अखोयदा करीता hesitation फाउदबा अदुगा करी की तुजोंग फाउदबसे मसी मरमननी हाइबसे सी प्रजा मयामना मसी अखोयन थागतफम थोक्तबरा हाइबसे प्रजा मयामदा आई थमजगनी.
Members of Kanglei Park Students Association stormed the new secretariat today against the appointment of a non-local as principal of NG College. The protesters stormed the gate of the new secretariat at Babupara and chanted slogans demanding the education minister to leave his post. Later, a team of police, including top officers and additional SP of Imphal West, rushed at the spot and dispersed the students. The police also arrested 3 student protesters. The arrested students include President KSA Thawal Branch W. Jeet and General Secretary KSA Imphal East L. Fazal. It may be mentioned that one non-local, Gopal Chandra Bag, was appointed for the post of principal at NG College in Naremthong as per the recruitment examination conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission. Students of NG College and KSA jointly condemned the decision and have been demanding a local to be appointed as principal of the college. Meanwhile, members of KSA has warned of intense agitations if the 3 arrested students are not released unconditionally within 24 hours. Addressing media persons at KSA office in Sega Road, Vice President of KSA Bidyananda Sukham asserted that the student association's drive is just and democratic. He strongly condemned the police interference during the peaceful students' march towards the secretariat with an intention to meet the education minister to point out the flaws of the government with regards to the issue at hand. Bidyananda reiterated that the MPSC's decision to appoint a non-local from West Bengal to be the principal of NG College as part of its process to appoint 25 college principals in the state will not be accepted. He also warned of continuing their agitations against the same.
केसी की थौमी सिंह ngasi education minister unaduna hari bofam asigi matangda wari sanana ba khongchat amaga loinana chatpani mafam du yauna honaba matamda Manipur police na ka henba thong kya chatharak podegi police singa mungnabagi phibam asi lakhibani lenga ki aran khongthang asibu yaning de phongdok luba mahiri ahum asi ngasi Manipur police ki sinau sing ngasi phajin khibe thong asi kesen akan mamon kandem tobuga loinana pung kunmagi mongda condition amata yauduna thadok kadabani thadok taba taraga de kesena makhal makha kya gi khongjang changchenana sem sari हारिबो महिरो अहुम असि फाजलगांदा केसे के खोंजंग असि हनगदब लैते आइबसे ngasi gi lenga ngasina khangjen bigedabani.
Kangleipak Women Welfare Association KWWA in a press release condemns the harassment made upon 12 Manipuris on board the train from Delhi to Guwahati in Bihar by non-locals at the wake of demand for implementation of ILP in the state. Irate people burnt the effigy of Health Minister L. Jayantakumar in protest, demanding the construction of Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang at Yumnam, Patlau and Sambai village in Khundrakpam constituency today. Taking part in the protest jointly organized by the people of Sagolmang, Khewa, Pukhao, Purju and Sarautel, Secretary of Khewa Company Maira Paibilub, Tekcham Sunibala, recalls that Health Minister Jayantakumar had earlier assured of upgrading Community Health Center at Sagolmang into District Hospital and even inspected the site. She maintains that people condemn the minister's decision to shift the construction site from Sagolmang and deceiving the people. Sunibala urged the minister to keep his words and construct the hospital at the earliest site in Sagolmang at the earliest. She warned of resorting to intense agitations and to close down government offices in Sagolmang area if the authority concerned acts against the interests of the people.
Jingji wakan jida khalli ba yara adra na adubu thogla na kemta tabi da bida dum ngasi bok masi lengna lei baje khoi mai bian jing suki matik pen de suki matik yaning de aduna masana haido khibo wa ngak taba minister Jayantakumar pham thadok piu masana haido khibo wa ngak taba Manikanta pham thadok piu adugo loina na hospital district hospital ma pham jida gi hong basunga yaroi district hospital na taba to hospital amata ma pham jida sabi ganu sidagi he hongi ba taragadi sidagi he na akhoi somda karigumbo office amata leheloi adugo loina na khongjang akhoi lepa leitana khongjang changjal lakani akhoi siba na ba yaro siba do moigi thongan da thamba ba akhoi gi phirem.
A public health sub-center PHSC constructed under the Directorate of Health Services Manipur at Kangchup Chiru was inaugurated today. Speaking at the inaugural event, Health Minister Langolakpam Jayantakumar asserted that the government is making all-out efforts to ensure physical well-being, health for the people of the state. MLA 51 Saitu constituency Namthang Haukip, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo, Additional Director Dr. S. Manikanta and many people of the area attended the inaugural ceremony. Speaking further, the Health Minister said every individual longs for a good health. He asserted that the government is giving due emphasis on the health sector of the state. Jayantakumar appeals to the people for cooperation in making the newly inaugurated PHSC an efficient health center. The health minister also assured of upgrading the sub-center into public health center in the future. Health Minister Jayantakumar further assured to the people of all possible assistance from the health department for improving the health sector in the area.
Health sector se asukimati kalam rakale adu maduda aina nurse meyamam thameng khalase na takana khogi ti upgrade tawreng khalase madu maduda praja gi cooperation yaw dragadi praja gi participation yaw dragadi praja na cooperate to dragadi importance of your primary health center or sub center na sana khang dragadi lai makal pot se nogi property ni amasung sida lai makal nursing je nogi chininaw sing ni makhoi na ni nogi angang sing pothi ka kandori se hita kaptu si moine de moi da khoi mateng pang bai tai na hi bagi wakhil nai na khan dragadi khoi loina mak khoi fail loi bata health sector da Kangchup Chiru gi praja sing na akoi bagi praja sing na thangum thokpa makal ge share sing do adu khoi pi na se no hona jage.
Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur IFAM organized a meeting on solidarity meeting for IFAM's struggle of justice in the Supreme Court at GM Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Executive Director of Human Rights Alert Bablu Loitongbam stated that the meeting was conducted to discuss the present condition of the unresolved trial cases since 2012.
Karigumba moina ahen ba sakti sizinabada natraga akhoi mi soe moigi mi ekta halu haibagi mi yengda akhoina mi hatpagi thabak tawram tawba taragadi ain gi oina lokhatpham thokpa criminal investigation FIR panba criminal investigation tawba amadi madugi chap chaba charge sheet thangalaga madugi YN bi charge chathaba haibase तौगदबनी हैबा जजमेंट अमा सुप्रीम कोर्ट ना पास तौगी मदुगी जजमेंट दुगी मखादा अखोई इफमगा ह्यूमन राइट्स अलर्ट का तौरगा अखोई लिसिंग अमा चंगा कुनिपान सिगी मनुंगदा करम इमुंगदी हाइरिबा केस चथब पामी हैबसिगी मतांगदा थिगतना अखोई मैम चैराब कोर्ट लापीदना मैम लेंबीरखिबदो मदो अखोई रिपोर्ट अमा अमुक पियु हैदना सुप्रीम कोर्ट हाइरकपदगी हानगी लिसिंग अमा चंगा कुनिपान दुगी मथक्ता करम इमुंगदी हुजि केस चथब पामी हैबदो हाइरकपदगी अखोई अदमाइन तौदना केस चथजगिबनी.
Speaking as the chief guest on the occasion, senior advocate of Supreme Court and Counsel of IFAM, Colin Gonzalez, stated that the genuine plea of the family members of the deceased motivated him to continue fighting for the cases. He maintains that the Supreme Court is urging the CBI to expedite the pace of the cases and assured that judgments of the cases will be delivered soon. Colin asserted that a person guilty of murder should be put behind bars irrespective of his background, profession or connections. Family members of fake encounter victims also related their woes on the occasion.
Any person in the custody of the forces, even if that person is a terrorist, that person has to be taken to the court. Nobody has the right to be like God and say, I can take your life. You cannot take the life of a person. Now, we don't want to say today that we have no faith in the CBI, but we are not happy. All of us are determined, the lawyers, the activists, the members of IFAM, all of us are determined to put the killers of our children, of our husbands, to put them in jail.
Secretary of Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights Manipur in a press release has appealed to the Law and Legislative Affairs Minister to take appropriate action against individuals who are responsible for charging 100 to 300 rupees just to obtain an order copy of the court and for issuing summon memo at Thaubal Court. The Secretary also stated that if such practices are not checked in time, the people will have no faith in the criminal justice system of Manipur. Family members of a girl victim who was allegedly raped by one Salam Robinson from Nongmaikhong Mayai Lekai on the pretext of marrying her but eloped with a different girl, at last demanded the authority concerned to take action against the accused. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, brother of the victim and Amit Kumar alleged that Robinson had defiled his sister on moral grounds and refused to marry her even after she pleaded him. He maintains that a complaint was raised to the Chief Minister during Miam Ginumit, after which the case was handed over to Kaching SP. Amit Kumar stated that Kaching SP further transferred the case to Bishnupur Women Police Station as the case was not under their jurisdiction. He expressed disappointment at the indifference shown by Bishnupur Women Police Station regarding the case. It may be mentioned that an FIR was registered on April 30 and a forensic test of the victim is currently underway at RIMS.
Morang Shendragi Mapam Amada, I send the PJ Masana, Namzana Chain, the Jew, limited to the Jamahambirava. The Jamahal, send a pigeon, Nashi the Ajum, Nashi the Chiendraga Ajum, Chong Marina Habasani. Nepazina, she told me later, I don't know, Samung Giroi, Cooker Hana, Nepazina, Puyatre, and then Satragadi, now being a low Comujaro, me want to talk with Jaroi. Now she did my friends did him there, the Tagadi, Law Conda, me, Kangalagadi, Nunus Ruhakin, Nunzoma Pai, however. There was Mabunga Moina, Hojana Panzeribaje, Ishanapin and Ashi, Mang, Ibashmana, Ipasiju, Saram Robinson, Hive, and Ipasiju. Mas mai mapunsiu mangan biu mabu sibi sarapi biu natagana mapunsiu jina thambiu si aya hajani.
Family members of Vicky Gurung and Huidrom Priya, who are undergoing medical treatment at Raj Medicity after a road accident at Tengdongyan last month, have appealed for financial support from the public for their medical expenses. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Baby Gurung, wife of Vicky, stated that the duo are still in critical condition. Besides, the hospital and the pharmacy are reluctant to continue their treatment and provide medicine without paying the bills. It may be mentioned that Vicky Gurung and Huidrom Priya are victims of the accident which occurred earlier last month, where wife of late Rakesh and their 6-month-old child lost their lives.
तौरीबा कंडीशन सिददी मोइना फजना लायें बिने हाइबसे थाजरक्त्रे अदुगी कोई इचेलेना इमा इचा मयामदा mateeng tawbiyo na haijab.
CPIM Manipur State Committee in a press release stated that the 200th birth anniversary of Karl Marx will be observed for 1 year from May 5, 2018 till May 5, 2019 as per the resolution taken at the 22nd CPIM Congress in Hyderabad. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Home Ministry's warning of thunderstorm in several states. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The Home Ministry has issued a fresh alert about the possibility of thunderstorm and squall in Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Bihar and northeastern region today. The ministry spokesperson said a thunderstorm accompanied with gusty winds may hit isolated places in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. There is forecast for heavy rains in Kerala, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura. An alert has also been sounded in Rajasthan of possible dust storms. In Bihar, as per initial estimate, crops spreading over 30,000 hectares have been destroyed. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has announced compensation for affected farmers after assessment of damage. The Uttar Pradesh government has released 10 crore rupees for farmers of storm-affected districts. It has written to the centre seeking monetary help of over 153 crore rupees from National Disaster Relief Fund. 76 people have been killed in the state in rain-related incidents. Inhabitants of Kairang Muslim clarified that the allegation made by Apunlup that the Muslims of Kairang demolished the shrine of Ibendau Laisna on Hanaching Chingmai is baseless. Speaking to media persons at Kairang Pangal Mayai Laikai Community Hall, Pradhan of Kairang Komidog Gram Panchayat Mohammad Nurzaman Chesaba stated that the allegation made by Mutum Indrajit, the president of Hampak Laikan Loop on media on April 30 is not authentic. He stated that a ritual ceremony was held on the said day and that people of Kairang village did not have any reason to visit the shrine. However, he explains that 3 children between 6 to 12 years did climb the hill and was given offerings by the organizers of the ceremony. Nurjaman added that the two parties have resolved the issue at the office of SP Imphal East. He condemned the conduct of Mutum Indrajit, trying to show the people of Kairang in bad light. Mohammad Nurjaman Chesaba said a case will be filed against Indrajit for disrupting solidarity between the Meiteis and the Muslims.
Kairang Muslim na hariba laifam tihom thagulon tawhom je thugaire haibase machi aikoi tasengna kitang pungning da aikoi pende Kairang Muslim apun bana machi aikoi condemn tawi asuk chengraba laigi thogol sidaida utumgi Indrajit harba miyo sina tongana na atama panana aikoi bu refugee gumna tongana Manipur gi leiriba maitri bagi sinnaw ipaipal ahalaman mam sing sidaida uhalaga sentiment chokna bo honna base machi ma bu aikoi na tarai na logde magi mathakta FIR ama launch tawna ba aikoi sem sare makoi na nataba badnamam tawra aikoi na nataba mieng ama muka yengna damakta sila ibala longsina akoi makhata wadi any club organization sangstan amasung hariba lighting mari leina khudimakse aikoi digi ayaba yauduna amatta changbiranu haibo famse akoi myam da thamjage.
A team of Taubal Police Commando along with women police personnel arrested a woman cadre of proscribed outfit pre-parked from her residence at Kairao Makhalekai around 6:30 this morning. The woman is identified as Ningthaujam Asha, daughter of N. Ranjit. Asha joined the party under self-styled Captain Joy Kumar alias Nganba in 2012. Block Development Officer Dr. Mayengbam Vito has declared 44 Yaitibi Kunau, Langtabal Kunau in Wangjing Tenta constituency as the first smokeless village of Taubal district today. Every household in the village has LPG connections, making it the first smokeless village in Taubal district and the second in the entire state. The declaration was made at a program organized by Athokpam Indian Service Gas Agency under Sabka Saath Sabka Gaon Sabka Vikas scheme, where LPG gas connections were distributed to the remaining households with no gas connection in the village. MLA of Wangjing Tentha constituency P. Brojen, Deputy Commissioner of Taubal District Haubam Roshita, SDO Taubal Dr. M. Vito and District in charge of LPG SI Singh attended the event. Royal Riders Manipur RRM will launch the month-long 10th Mahosha Ima Ningsing Tha 2018 from tomorrow. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of Royal Riders Manipur Jeet Saikom said the observance will be held on the theme of World Environment Day, Beat Plastic Pollution. He also said a sticker campaign as part of the launch will be carried out in Greater Imphal tomorrow. 3 saplings will be planted at Kongba Maru on May 13 and sport painting competition on May 20. Eco trekking to Zuko for students from May 26 to May 28. Prizes distribution and a green concert will also be held on World Environment Day on June 5. Kangla Films Manipur observes the 16th Foundation Day of Manipuri Digital Cinema as Anoba Cinemagi Anoba Khongho at the office of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur in Thangal Bazaar today. Renowned senior artist of Manipuri film Narendra Ningomba spoke at length on the foundation of Manipuri Digital Cinema. It may be mentioned that Manipuri Digital Cinema was founded in the year 2002. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur Samjit Sabam Mangoljao, Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Dr. Y. Mohan, President of AMFIMPA Ketramayum Kishore Kumar and advisor of Kangla Films Manipur Oken Amakcham graced the occasion as the guest of honors. Eminent personalities of Manipuri film and many film lovers attended the program. District Legal Services Authority Imphal West, in collaboration with Tiny Tots Unique School, Students Transporter Association held a legal awareness program at Ima Ibema Kuntokhanbi Shanglen in Thamwiban today. Legal Aid Council Imphal West, K. Dhani, Principal of Tiny Tots Unique School, Daniel Byrne, and President of Tiny Tots Unique School Students Transporter Association, L. Somokanta, presided the program as Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, and President respectively. Discourses were held on protection of children by civilians, children's rights and guidelines under the law for school transport drivers, including traffic and motor vehicle rules. Lecturer of LMS Law College, C.H. Narendra, and Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, T.H. Raj Kishore, spoke as resource persons at the awareness program. Chingtam Social Workers Union, Bamon Kampu Women Welfare Association, Ibudhau Purei Romba, Pakhangba Lai Seva Committee, Bamon Kampu and Young Cricketers, Bamon Kampu jointly organized a felicitation program for Pooja Ilangbam, who secured the 81st rank in the UPSC Civil Service Examination 2017 today. Pooja was felicitated with simple gifts at Bamon Kampu Khabam Community Hall. Manipur Electricity Employees Union MEEU in a press release said the union supports the demand for implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission and other allowances initiated by Joint Administrative Council of Amtuk and Amgeo. The union also urged the government to look into the matter and bring resolution at the earliest. Kana Laijadraba Singi Damak Kathoklaba Loop. Helping Hands for People HHP Manipur organized a one-day voluntary blood donation camp at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jenims in Porampat today. Advisor of HHP Khoirom Loyalakpa, President of HHP Marangthem Premjit and Medical Officer of Jenims Dr. K. Surjit were among those present on the occasion. About 50 persons donated blood at the camp. And in sports, Hockey India has recommended Maimom Sangai Ibemal Chanu for Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement. Sangai Ibemal, born on January 3, 1981 at Bashikong in Imphal East District, established herself as a professional Sai hockey player between 1994 to 1998. After participating in various national level field hockey championships, Sanghai Ibemal played in the international level friendly hockey match in Germany in April 1998. Hockey India recommended the expert midfielder and centre-forward hockey player in the Indian women hockey team for 2001 World Cup qualifier, where Sanghai Ibemal backed the young player of the tournament title. The international hockey player also backed gold in the Manchester Commonwealth Games in 2002 and silver in the Melbourne Commonwealth Games in 2006. The host team won the championship title of the Asia Cup 2004 held in New Delhi. Sanghai Ibemal is serving as the senior clerk of the Western Railways. She entered matrimony in 2005. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren appeals people not to take law into one's hands but to be patient. Bill for protection of indigenous people to be passed soon. Members of KSA storm new secretariat against appointment of a non-local as principal of NG College. Irate people burn Health Minister's effigy over Imphal East District Hospital row. Home Ministry issues fresh thunderstorm warning for several states. Heavy rains forecast in northeast regions including Manipur. And Hockey India recommends Maimom Sanghai Ibemal Chanu for Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement.